My name is Sana Firdous. Hi, thank you. I feel really good. This wouldn't have been possible without the help of my mom, my dad, and my uncle and aunt. I was born and brought up in Hyderabad. I completed my schooling from Glendale Academy International and my intermediate education from Page Academy. I like sketching and reading books and traveling. And
Sana, how did you get to know about this architecture course?
from the beginning, I liked sketching and drawing. So everybody was suggesting me to go into engineering, or then my dad, who's an engineer, he told me about this misconception. So when I decided on doing the arc, I got to know that I had to write entrance exams, and that is when I applied for the first attempt of NATA. Back in April, I wrote the first attempt. Yeah, I got 987, which wasn't enough to get admission into a good college. So my uncle suggested me to try coaching, and that is when I came across DQ Labs. When I contacted DQ Labs Hyderabad, I came across Mr. Rahul, who was the student advisor. He suggested me the 15-day crash course and the DQ platform. It was an online course. We had 2-hour online classes for 15 days in which all the topics were covered. And after the classes, we were given assignments on a platform called DQ Edge. We had to submit the assignments, and we got remarks which improved my drawing skills and my basic principles, which helped me do better in the second attempt. DQ Edge platform was very helpful as it provided me with a lot of things like 501 predicted questions. There were mock tests, there were previous year question papers, and then there were topic-wise quizzes also. The 501 predicted questions were really helpful to me as they were specially designed by architects. DQ Edge as a whole was a really helpful tool to me. The DQ Edge platform was very helpful to me. It included 501 predicted questions, mock tests, previous year question papers, and topic-wise quizzes. When it comes to the 501 predicted questions, they helped me a lot as many of them came in the actual examination. And then the mock tests, they were according to the new updated pattern, the new NATA pattern, and which also helped me a lot. I came to know that the 501 predicted questions, as I mentioned earlier, were designed by architects themselves who are into teaching, so they helped me a lot in the way I performed in the examination.